What's the meaning of chant? Chant. Chant.
Chant. Chant. The word chant refers to a repeated rhythmic phrase or melody, typically used in a religious or spiritual context. It often involves singing or reciting words or prayers in unison with others. Chanting can have a calming and meditative effect on the mind and body, and is often used as a form of worship or devotion. It has also been incorporated into various musical genres and can be found in cultures around the world. Overall, chanting is a powerful tool for creating a sense of unity and connection within a community.